Hi children, welcome to Kids World. Today I have come with a beautiful story for you. Once in a family there was a father, a mother, and they had two sons lived in a town. The elder son, Rio, was very clever and polite. He was very well behaved, courteous towards others. But at the same time, the youngest son Robert was very intelligent but of mischievous nature. His tomfoolery and devilry activities always harass others around him. So Robert was very harmful as far as others concerned. One day, his father curiously said that his childhood friend Peter is coming in the evening to visit his family. So father told mom to prepare dinner for the guest. When Robert heard the news of the arrival of Peter uncle, he decided to do some monkey tricks. He fixed up a plan in his mind to play with the newcomer uncle. He collected some pebbles from outside and kept it at the doorstep of the house and covered it up with a door mattress. Without knowing the hidden pebbles, Peter uncle came and kept his step on the mattress. The moment his feet touched the mattress, his legs slipped away, he started to roll down, lost his balance. At last he fell down. Watching all these things, Robert laughed at Peter uncle and mocked at him. His father became furious and clasped Robert. Father's face became reddish in anger. He blasted Robert like anything. Even then, Robert received a lot of scoldings from his parents. He never gave heed to their words at all, and he never felt sorry for his activities anymore. Another day, Mom brought a beautiful parrot and kept it inside the cage, instructed Robert not to touch the cage at any cost. On looking at the bird, Robert's sixth sense started to create certain frolicsomeness. At that night, when everyone slept away, Robert opened the cage and cut down the feathers and tails of the bird. The next morning, on hearing the sound of the bird, Mom noticed that the bird was there without feathers. Mom and Dad were taken aback. They left dumbstruck. His mom, with a hot temper, battered Robert, and his father too drubbed him like anything. Mom decided to teach him a lesson. 2 days later, Mom told Robert to take the scoop, which is kept on the stove. Without knowing the scoop is hot, he touched it. The moment he touched the scoop, it was so hot that he started screaming. His right hand was burnt with a flame. Oh no, he started screaming loudly. Consoling Robert, Mum said, Robert, now can you understand the sufferings of others? Hereafter, do not play with others' feelings, because nowadays your mischief is crossing the limit that no one can tolerate it. Listen, if you mend your ways now, in future you will be happy. If you don't mind it, people will scold you for your devilsome nature. You will become a problematic person for them in future. Try to realize your mistakes and try to understand others' problems. After a long lecture, Mum applied ointment in his palm. Robert suffered too much of pain due to this burnt wound in his palm. But day by day, gradually, he could understand the pain of others he had given to them so far by his playful activities. So he completely extinguished all his mischievous activities, and whenever he sees his burnt scar in his palm, he couldn't think of troublesome things. Nowadays, he has become a very good boy like his brother. So, children, the moral of the story is we should heed the words of our parents, or else we'll be suffering throughout our life. Children, if you like this story, tell your parents to share it and subscribe it. Next time, I'll come along with another story. Thank you.